If you've tried building product websites with Claude Code, you've probably seen the same thing that I have. The first draft looks promising for about 20 seconds. Then you start noticing what's off. And with a product website, that matters a lot. Because if the product doesn't feel like the hero, the whole page falls flat. I'd build it in layers, and the workflow I'd use is ChatGPT for prompt refinement, then Claude Code with anti-gravity for the actual build and iteration. So first, open Claude Code in anti-gravity and create the project. Once that part is ready, don't start prompting blindly yet. Go to ChatGPT and upload the reference assets first. They can be the bottle website reference video, plus the PNG bottle images you're planning to use in the design. Then give ChatGPT a clear instruction. I'd say something like, I'm building a premium bottle website with Claude Code. I'm giving you a reference video for the style and interaction, and PNG bottle assets for the product itself. Study both carefully and write me a Claude Code prompt that recreates a very similar design language, composition, and interaction style. Now, ChatGPT is not building the site. It's helping you write a better prompt for Claude. Once ChatGPT gives you the prompt, copy it, paste it into Claude Code and run it. Give it a few minutes, then preview the result. Usually the first version gets you somewhere in the ballpark. The structure might look close, but the bottle usually still doesn't feel strong enough. So at that point, take a screenshot of what Claude generated. Upload that screenshot to ChatGPT and explain the problem clearly. For example, the structure is looking close, but the bottle is too small. Make the product much more dominant in the composition and adjust the layout to match the reference more closely. Then let ChatGPT rewrite that into a cleaner Claude prompt, paste it back into Claude Code and apply the update. Now preview the full site and check whether it still feels cohesive from top to bottom. Because sometimes the hero looks great, but the rest of the website still feels like a rough add-on. If that happens, do one more pass and tell Claude to unify the spacing, typography, transitions, and overall feel across the whole site. Once the full website feels finished, the last step is moving it into WordPress. So now I'd go back to ChatGPT one more time and ask for a prompt that tells Claude Code to convert the completed front end into a WordPress theme structure. Copy that prompt, run it inside Claude Code, and let it build the theme files. Then go into the project folder, find the theme folder, in this case, the distiller-theme folder. Compress that into a zip file. After that, open your WordPress dashboard. Go to the left sidebar, open Appearance, click Themes, click Add Theme, then click Upload Theme. Choose the zip file, install it, activate it, and preview the site. And now the project is no longer just a Claude demo sitting in your editor. It's a real WordPress theme you can actually use. So that's all for this video. If you have any questions, then comment below and I'll catch you in the next one.